Okay, it's the unboxing of the W70 Eken. I'm going to charge it up before I start it, but this will be the unboxing anyway. Don't need the box. Great packing job. I guess. It says Eken on the box. It's probably a good sign. Not sealed in the box. Oh, it's got a nice rubbery back to it. I was expecting glossy. That's nice. You can hold on to it easily. So that's the tablet. Charger. USB cable. That's it. So that's about the unboxing. This is a little bit different design than they showed on the website. I don't like screen protectors, so we'll take that off. Looks very good. It's got the microphone, micro USB, HDMI, full-size USB, earphone, micro SD card, power charger, on-off button, volume up and down rocker, nothing on the other end, little QC label. That's it. I'll get back to you when I charge it up and fire it up. Okay, we're booting it up. Not exactly for the first time. I had to play with it a little bit myself, but turn the camera on when I turn the tablet on. It's got the ice cream sandwich fill up screen. I installed a battery widget and a weather widget for local weather, but didn't do much else besides that. I changed the background. I didn't like the Shenzhen, China background. Put my Google account in there. Play Store works fine. You can see I got the battery widget. Responsive. Everything seems to be there. Everything seems to work. I'll try and get a good view of the About tablet. Yeah, the build is 2012-06-24, so that may not be the newest, but everything seems to work fine. It seems to be a very nice tablet for 75 or 80 bucks. Any questions? I'll try and answer them.